Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable AMD FreeSync feature on your Asus ROG Xbox Li X. First, open the desktop on your device and hold your finger down on an empty space on it. Then select AMD Software Adrenalin Edition and here select Settings in the top right corner. Then go to Display tab, and in Display tab, to disable AMD FreeSync, you have to switch this toggle to the left. To enable it, switch it to the right. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.